To meditate, start by finding a calm, peaceful spot where you can sit down without being disturbed. Then, sit in a comfortable position on a chair or on the floor and close your eyes. Start by breathing deeply in through your nose and out through your mouth. Visualize your breath filling your lungs and leaving again, until you feel your breath settle into a rhythm. Now, starting from the top of your head, slowly scan down your body from head to toe. As you focus on each part of your body, feel your muscles relax and release any stress they may be holding. If your thoughts wander, refocus on your breathing and come back to where you left off. Once you've finished your body scan, start gently counting your breaths. Breathe in slowly through your nose on 1, then out through your mouth on 2, and so forth, all the way to 10. Then start again. Continue until you feel yourself pulled out of the meditation. Then gently open your eyes and stretch.